Welcome to the land of beautiful horses, Cappadocia. I'm in Nashville after like 11 hours bus from Istanbul. Already arranged a hot air balloon ride, which is gonna be tomorrow morning. The weather is fine, and I paid like 80 euros, which is like on average. Soon I will be in Goreme, and then I booked like a hotel in can't remember the name of the hotel, but anyway, it's good. It seems to be okay. I'm just a little bit tired, and the day it just started. I'm just outside Goreme. I'm heading to Uşşehir, which is like 4 kilometers away from Goreme, and then when I get there I'm gonna go and visit the Pigeon Valley. Now I'm heading up there. That's a very fancy phone box. This cabin is dancing. It's cool in the sun. Yeah, I'm in Wazir Castle. The view from here is pretty amazing, and the castle, it's well kept, and yeah, it's paid. Unfortunately, it's 15 liras, which is not that bad, but it seems to everywhere you go you have to pay here in Cappadocia, so go wherever is worth it. My first day in Cappadocia is about to end. Now I'm on my way back to Goreme. In about 20 minutes I will be at my hostel, but the day is not over yet. I will go to the top of Lower Hill for sunset, but I won't be late. Tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. I have the hot air balloon ride. After the balloon ride and a hearty breakfast, I got ready for the hike in the Red Valley. As usual, I decided to study the route by myself, so that it would be easier for me to get lost in this amazing land surrounded by fairy chimneys and caves carved into the rock. A mask tree. COVID-19 installed. I'm in the middle of Red Valley. There's no one around here. My GPS is just disappear. And when it was on, it was say that I was on the wrong path, but this is the only path that I can walk on. So I'm a little bit confused, but I guess, you know, just keep going. I have to be honest, I took a massive risk of coming in Turkey during a COVID time. But on the other hand, Cappadocia is normally overcrowded at this time of the year, and being here with so little tourism, it makes you appreciate this particular land in a better way. I don't know where I am. I'm lost. I'm utterly lost in here. Red Rose Valley. Wow, I was actually thinking that I lost the path to go back home. Church of St. John Baptist is definitely to not be missed. It's completely free and required some climbing skills. There are countless caves that cross the mountain from side to side. I put this place on the top 3 places to see in Cappadocia, with the hot air balloon ride and the Red Rose Valley. Stupendo, vivo per queste minchiate. Cappadocia Church is the main attraction of this itinerary. However, the place was closed due to the low season, but somehow I managed to sneak in. Time to go back to Goreme. Was a long date, started with a hot air balloon this morning and ends with a long hike through the Red and Rose Valley. The third day with a friends we rented a car to go for a ride to the underground cities and explore the Ilia Valley. The cost of the car is about 200 liras with a maximum of 250 kilometers, which makes things a bit complicated to manage, but these are the Turkish rules. However, it was worth it. I really recommend to buy the Cappadocia Pass to get into the old museums. You can purchase it at cost of 190 liras and you can have access to almost everywhere.
Hi guys!
Hey, where are we?
Here we go! I don't know really, let me check. Okay, just follow me.
last day I took the opportunity to visit the open-air museum of Goreme, which is located just outside the city, and visit the Sword Valley, which is just in front of the open-air museum. The valley is amazing. Let yourself be carried away by your instinct. This wonderful experience in Cappadocia made me remember how beautiful is traveling. I hope to be able to do it freely, without any restriction, as soon as possible.